guys, welcome back to the JAT. Today we're gonna go on a bike ride. Yeah, let's go have some fun, guys. What's that? I think it's a truck. Let's go check it out. Guys, this is a dump truck. Wow. This is so cool. Maybe this is a hint for what we're gonna do today. We're gonna go to the park. Here, Malachi. Where do you want to put it?
I'm just gonna put it right.
That's good, actually. That's cool spot. Come on, guys. Let's go have some fun. Guys, I found another clue. It is a saw and hammer. I think I know what our surprise is going to be. Do you guys? Yeah. You do? I don't know. So let's go see. So, what is all this light outside? Construction hat. Wow. Come look. Let's go. Don't see the surprise. Guys, we found real trucks. Wow. Look there, guys. Pavement equipment. We found a surprise, guys. Yay. Yay. Guys, look at the front. This is so big. Whoa, I don't know what's that. I don't either. What machine is this? It probably is a digger. It's just covered up. Yeah, probably is. I know what this one is. It's a roller. Like this.
It did.
A wheel construction worker. Yay! That's so cool, Justin.
Now I'm not.
Now you're not.
I am.
Now you are. It's magic. Wanna try this construction hat, Malachi?
Sure.
Malachi's a real construction worker like Justin. That's so cool. Hear this. It's really hard.
Oh, it's smelly.
This is the hugest one. Yeah, this is the biggest machine of them all. Like, it's bigger than that one. Yeah, it is. And it's really tall. This big machine makes tar. Tar? What is tar? Wow. Tar is pavement, what we use for roads, for the cars to drive on. Vroom, vroom. Oh, the car, guys. Wow, that's the reason we are ever seen. To catch up to the boys. This one? This is a digger, guys, and it has tar on it. It's so cool. Why it has tar in it is because it works with tar. And the person sitting still. For the human. I want to try to get there, but it's locked. Oh, that's sad. I hope you like my Bay Machines video. Please